a Disneyland Limited, now loading for a trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom through the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. Stops at Frontierland, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland.
What?
Runaway friends, if you're just joining us, welcome aboard Holiday 5 on the Disneyland Railroad. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train at all times, and supervise your children, making sure they are fully seated at all times and are allowed on a bench and away from the large train openings. Our next stop is New Orleans Square Station.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval World and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop, and watch your step as you're leaving home. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
Yes, we are at New Orleans Square Station with some attractions such as Pirates of the Caribbean, Adventure Holidays, Beyond Bayou Adventure, Winnie the Pooh, and you can access Adventureland, Frontierland, and just a closer stop to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. If you're leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you. Seated nice inside the train at all times, and supervise your children, keeping them away from the large train openings. The next stop is Mickey's Toontown Depot.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. We're now entering the Bayou, home to Beyond Bayou Adventure. Take a seat and when it comes to sweetness, the inhabitants of the land we're passing over are the bee's knees. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these trails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of gear, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings, then step carefully from the train. Have fun, and say hi to Mickey and Minnie for me. Those of you continuing on,
Here's Rio and Mickey's Toontown Depot. You can access all Toontown and Mickey's attractions. If you're leaving us here, please remain seated as the train comes up full. And stop moving strong. Thank you. And to provide your children with their ways of life, our next stop is Tomorrowland Station.
hello everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now stepping forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow. Maybe a glimpse of the Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, flying above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships, doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astro blasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Such as awesome ships, space mountains, light house monsters, fighting celebrity voyage, and if it access this into the monorail. If you're leaving us here, please remain seated. The train comes in full and comes in stop. Inside the train, and supervise your children and have a place in the large train opening. Our next stop is Main Street Station. On the way there, we're going to go through the Grand Canyon and back inside to the Primeval World. You're more than welcome to take videos and photos while we're in the tunnel. We just kindly ask you no videos or photos with a flash on. And at this time, just for the courtesy of those around you, we kindly ask that you turn off any light-up accessories you may have, such as bubble wands, ears, necklaces, etc. Thank you.
Welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
Land of the dinosaurs. Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes.
And we are at Main Street Station. If you're leaving us here, please stay late as you go to train for stop. Just a reminder, this is a station with no ramps, no elevators, only stairs, no shoulders, and no wheelchairs. Practically all it is you guys have upstairs. Secondly, currently this station only has one exit. That exit will be to the left-hand side when you come to the train. So if you are exiting here at Main Street Station, exit to the left-hand side. Thank you.
Your attention,